on. There's PK saying Malcolm's in the house. Thank you to get fumbling there. But it was fun getting up this morning. And, you know, I was thinking to myself, I've never actually fired up charcoal for breakfast. Usually I turn on the gas, or I'll admit guilty as charged. But we do a lot, and I have to show you. I love grilling bacon on the GrillGrate.
Morning, man, on the backside of the GrillGrates. That's where it's at.
All right. Well, you beat me to it. Although I saved you a set. Let me show you my. It's okay. Well, I hadn't shown you my grilling deck, the B&B, baby. Check it out. What we did today, the 360, by the way, I got to back up and say this is unquestionably my favorite charcoal grill in the world. And that's not just because we love Scott Moody and all Brian, everybody at PK, Martha. It is terrific. And what I did this morning is I used the backside for the GrillGrates. And then we did this kind of a bird in a hole. I forget what all it's called, but just did some, you know, pop out the centerpiece, throw in an egg, did that on the griddle. And I saved you a plate, Malcolm. See, I saved you something.
I got a breakfast bagel burger for you too, man.
All right.
So, well, I'm going to tell you what I did. My mom makes homemade, it's real spicy, real good. It's got a lot of sage in it. I did the patties on the GrillGrates, even put the twist on them like we did to get the grill marks. Did some egg, put some cheese on it to melt it down, did some bacon on the backside on the PK Classic, and toasted my bagels, man. And it made an unbelievable breakfast burger.
Very, very nice. Have you indulged? I mean, I ate my breakfast before I went live. I'm so glad I did.
Liquid breakfast, man. This is so we got the brunch burger. The breakfast is the Pickle Mary, and it's my version of Bloody Mary. I keep it simple, a little zing zang, black pepper, a lot of I use the Clausen pickles when I can get them. I happen to have some in the refrigerator. You know, haven't been to the stores or anything, so I'm kind of just going through the freezer and making do with what we have. But it's pickle juice, zing zang, black pepper, hot sauce, strip of bacon, some lime, and I rimmed it with a little barbecue rub. Man, easiest Bloody Mary in the world.
See, I think with a 3-foot arm and a 3-foot arm, we could meet right in the middle, and you could hand me a sucker, and we'd be okay.
I got to fish my bacon out of here. It's kind of slid down on me, man. Can't beat a little marinated, crispy PK bacon.
Nice. See, if I do that, I'll be chomping forever. It's so crispy. I have to show you, though. I'm going to what this is just to demonstrate, because you can't taste it yourself. Hopefully you heard that crunch. So, my favorite bacon in the world is coming off of grill number one, but off of the GrillGrate backside.
What kind of bacon is it?
That was Wright's. Like you said, we're kind of rummaging around the fridge and the freezer, and it's working. Look at that. You got some people saying they're making your Texas-style brisket. I have to tell you, you have a new fan in our office. Emily, you know, while some people are binge watching Netflix, she's been watching you. She's watching all your videos. Anybody who comes to work for us gets a grill. And we got her a pellet grill, and she's turned into a fanatic, and she's found out where she's getting to learn how to do all these things. So
fantastic, man. Hey, you know, I love cooking outside. I don't even know if we've used, I know you mentioned that you hadn't been cooking much indoors. We haven't turned our oven on either. We try to do everything we can. You know, a charcoal grill like the PK or a pellet grill outdoors. So we cook as much as we can out here.
I'm still chewing bacon. I have to say, I'm pretty lost indoors, but outdoors, I do my job out here. And Susan owns the kitchen and does a great job of prepping. So we're a pretty good team, and we've been a team of two. I mean, this is not that abnormal for us. I mean, it's tough working from home, and we've got everybody spread out. But we're real thankful, and I got to, you know, without getting into a whole lot of the issues of the day, we're thankful for all these people on the front lines, healthcare people, you know, first responders, you know, the FedEx drivers, you know, they're keeping the economy. That and the internet, baby. As long as we have power and internet.
Hey, we can try. That's right. That's right. I hear the fans in the background there, Brad. You got
What's that?
Ensemble going on. The birds sound good, man.
Oh yeah, I was going to say if a truck doesn't go by, all you're going to hear. Well, I do feed the birds. It drives Susan crazy because in another week or two, my deck will have these really great little poop lines when they're sitting up on my lights. But it's been nice. Malcolm, I'll tell you, stay in, cook out. Thanks for kicking it off with us this morning. Again, kudos to BK.
Today, Brad, you got anything else lined up for the grills?
Well, I'm going to be cooking probably breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I would do some low and slow, but I probably will wait till Sunday because then I can take it. You know, we are working in the warehouse. We're not in the offices, but I'll probably take in lunch. We've been doing that to our gang. So I'll probably do a low and slow tomorrow. Today's probably brats. And then tonight is scallops.
Wow.
Yeah, so we've been hitting the freezer hard. How about you? I mean, I can tell you about all last week. Just look at my phone, and I can tell you what day it is for what I cook.
I've got a picanha that I had in the freezer for a while. I'm going to cut it up into some steaks. I'm not doing it like the traditional way. I'm going to get it going low and slow on the PK and then sear it off in on the grill grates. I'm going to do some stuffed little sweet peppers. Got some ground deer meat thawed out. I'm going to mix with some cream cheese and some seasonings and stuff those peppers. Do those as like an appetizer, making a fresh chimichurri sauce to go with that picanha. And Shell's whipping up some kind of cream cheese dip that we're going to snack on while everything's cooking.
Well, I'll tell you, cocktail hour has started earlier. I got to give another shout out too. If you notice, my buddy Jason Murph down there in Grill Your Ass Off in Houston put out these T-shirts. He sent me this T-shirt. So we're trying to, good eats, good sleep, and moderating the alcohol. And my oldest daughter is a doctor, and she's on my butt because I have a sweet tooth. So she's telling me right now to lay off the sweets, and I have been trying. So I'll probably come out of this slightly impaired in the liver, probably down 10 pounds, and with a few more skills that I didn't have at the grill. So, and that's what it's about.
Great time to improve those barbecue skills and get out and get some sunshine and enjoy the outdoors, man.
That's right. Let the smoke fly in your backyard. Malcolm, I appreciate you very much. And we'll just have a great day. Stay in and cook out is the hashtag, and follow that. Use it or follow it, right? And you'll be able to see what all the other gangs and a lot of our friends and the whole industry's out here kind of showing and telling. So I expect I'll see your dinner sometime, around 6 o'clock tonight?
Oh, I don't know if it's going to be that late, man. We got storms rolling in this afternoon, so I'm fixing to move from brunch right on into lunch. So.
Well, your happy hour has started. Mine will.
Hey, I want to say thanks to Scott and Martha and the whole gang at PK for putting it together. Thank you, Brad, for inviting me. I hope everybody's well out there, and stay in and cook out. Let's all have fun and do this together today.
Absolutely, Malcolm. Well, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and have a great day today, buddy.
See you, Brad.
All right, man.